Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to add line under title. Make sure adding a line under a title in Microsoft Word can be done in several ways, depending on the whether you want a quick shortcut or a highly customized design. So in the first method, you can use the quick keyboard shortcuts. The fastest way to add a horizontal line that spans the entire width of the page. So for this, you need to place your cursor on a blank line directly below your title. And now type one of these symbols 3 times. The first is the plain single line. Type 3 hyphens and press enter. It's so simple. Let me undo that. If you want to use a bold single line, then you need to type 3 underscores and press enter. Let me undo that. So if you want to insert a plain double line, then you need to type 3 equal signs and press enter. So another way is to use the paragraph borders, which is most professional. In other words, you can say that this method attaches the line to the title paragraph, ensuring it moves within the text if you edit the document later. For this, you need to click anywhere inside your title text and then go to the home tab, and in the paragraph group click the arrow next to the borders button like a square grid. Select the bottom border to add a standard line. So there is another way inserting a shape. Use this if you want a line that does not span the whole page or if you need to place it at the specific angle. For this you need to go to the insert tab and click the shapes and select the basic line. Under the lines, that's the straight line. And now hold the shift key while dragging to the keep the line perfectly horizontal. And now go to the shape outline and select the weight, whatever you like. Again, go to the shapes and select the color of your choice, like this one. And you can even go to the more choice and to the standard colors. So now I hope you understand how you can add line under title in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.